ṣẹlẹ̀ happen ṣọ́nba gbogbo bí nǹkan ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ nu Nàìjíríà ó ti ń gbóná gan-an ṣe ti ń ba abẹ́ ẹ̀ ba rí kankan nǹkan ṣe ó ń gbóná jọjọjọjọjọjọjọ ilẹ̀kẹ̀ má já sílẹ̀ ilẹ̀kẹ̀ má já síta ibì kan ní ilẹ̀kẹ̀ Nàìjíríà máa já sísẹ̀ tó bá ní kó máa yí ẹ kí tó gbé àlàyé yẹn wọlé kí tó gbé fídíò yẹn wọlé kó bá mi gbé ẹ débẹ̀ ṣó ti sáré gbàgbé ní Yorùbá òun pẹ́ gbàgbé nǹkan ẹ̀yin ọmọ kóòtù àjíire ṣe rántí wípé màámi Rẹ̀mí Tinubu àwọn ni wọ́n lọ sí ìlú Amẹ́ríkà lọ́hùn lásán ló rò pé what President Trump tó declare màámi Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ó ní the best first lady in the whole world tí ṣe na yàn ṣé ò ń bá okay now lẹ́yìn ìyẹn kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ gan Àkàndé tún rí màámi Tinubu ni ọmọ olódòdó pbat wọ́n bá nà straight ó di UK prime minister báwo àwọn tó pàṣẹ UK gangan ni bàbá nídìí wọ́n ná lọ straight lọ sí UK bàbá Tinubu lọ sí ìrìtì bẹ̀yẹn àbálọ àbábọ̀ bàbá padà sílé bàmí pbat you are welcome back home bàbá ní ó ti lé kókó báyìí o Faransé ni àwọn ti sílì partnership lórí ọ̀rọ̀ insecurity pẹ̀lú Faransé at any time ní kíni ọmọ ogun sọ̀kalẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò dẹ̀ tún tí yí ẹ bóyá lọ ó dẹ̀ tún tí mọ̀ mú 1+1 náà ok bóyá tó o bá gbọ́ fídíò tó gbọ́ analysis bóyá ọ̀rọ̀ mi á padà yẹ ó yá tẹ̀lé mi wá o.
You see, I'm still saying it. Nigeria may not have election come 2027. You guys don't understand what is going on. You don't understand what is going on. Let me tell you something. I said something in my last video. I said Tinubu does not believe in one Nigeria. Not just Tinubu. The whole Yorubas, they don't believe in one Nigeria. The Igbos, they don't believe in one Nigeria. And these Igbos now, and the Yorubas now that they don't believe in one Nigeria, they are working together. The Igbos, they've never been united the way they are united right now. When I mean united, I'm talking about the political class. Let me tell you something. The only people that believe in one Nigeria are those guys in the northern Nigeria, the northeast and the northwest, even the north central. They don't believe in one Nigeria. Last time, Tinubu sent his wife to the U.S., what did the wife went there to do? The wife went there to make an agreement or whatever contract with Donald Trump. Have you seen Donald Trump still criticizing Tinubu's government? No. They've already struck a deal together. Now, Tinubu is in the UK now to strike deal now with the king. See, this thing is something that has to do with Nigeria. That's why I am telling you that come 2027, we may not have election. We may not have because Tinubu knows. Tinubu knows that this country has to go into parts. He knows that is what the guy is working for. You see, in the past, I was like looking at Tinubu. I said, okay, Tinubu is going to work to favor these guys from the northern Nigeria, but he's not doing it. Tinubu has his own agenda, and the agenda of Tinubu is to partition Nigeria. You guys don't understand. Let me tell you again. Tinubu was supposed to travel on the 17th of this month. That was on Tuesday. And on Monday night, there was a bomb blast. And they were expecting that Tinubu would cancel that trip. But Tinubu refused to cancel the trip. Because the Northerners, they know that the trip to the UK is something that has to do with the marketing of Nigeria. You guys understand politics now. You don't understand politics. They wanted to prevent Tinubu from going to the UK. That is why they made that arrangement of that blast. You see, Nigeria today, whatever blast that happened in Nigeria, most government officials, they know that is just politics. They know. That is why Tinubu didn't bother. Even the thing did not even sell. The thing did not even trend on international news because they know it's politics. Tinubu is using money to lobby his way out. Tinubu is giving money to whosoever that he needs to give money to because Tinubu wants a partition. Tinubu does not believe in one Nigeria. That's why I'm saying that when you check the relationship between Tinubu and the Southeast, God, because Tinubu is ready. Tinubu is ready. If they say they want democracy, he's going to give them democracy. But if they say they want to use army, he's going to declare his own republic. And the Igbos, they will follow him. The Igbos, go and check all the Igbos political class, both the business class, they are on the side of Tinubu now. This thing has to do with to Nigeria. There is a project to demarcate Nigeria. You guys don't understand what is going on. That's why I'm telling you that come 2027, there may be election and there may not be election. If they come in the other way around, you just hear that the Southern Nigeria will declare their own republic. And when you declare your own republic, you need all these superpowers. You need superpowers. Tinubu is a friend to France. France is a superpower. Tinubu has already, bought Donald Trump. Donald Trump, they are the police of the world. Now, Tinubu now is in the UK. If Nigeria want to part into two, it's not the prime minister. The prime minister of UK has nothing to do with Nigeria parting into two. The people that have the power in palace, and that is where Tinubu is today. Oh my God. See, we've seen countries in the world that they parted into two without even shooting a gun. They never fire a shot. Nobody fought each other. They just did it peacefully.
Ṣé brother yẹn PCCF sílẹ̀ fún ẹ dáadáa, at least tó bá had 1+1 á mú nǹkankan jáde. Ó yá comot body, hard body. If you no get body, no hard body. Jẹ́ sáré gbé yín débẹ̀. Ohun yẹn nìyẹn. Ibi tí a padà fẹ́ gbé obì sí, tí obì bá padà fúnra lára ẹ̀ lálẹ́ wù ń bẹ̀, ṣógun láyé ni. Mo ní kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ máa yé yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kó máa yé yín. Kò sí àsọdànù àsọjáàmù ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ online. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn bá yé ẹ o. Jẹ́ sáré gbé yín débi. Tinubu brokers French military assistance deal. President Bola Tinubu on Sunday said Nigeria has secured French collaboration on military equipment and support following a lengthy discussion with French President Emmanuel Macron on Saturday. Yes, so Baba Tinubu sọ ní Ìkòyí ní Bodilon níbi tí bàbá ti host àwọn tiẹ̀ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o election 2027 yìí o ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o ẹni máa bá wa dọ̀rọ̀ yìí o a ní sẹ́sì tó dájú. Inú tèmi ń dùn bí bàbá Tinubu ṣe ń bá bóyá fi àwọn náà dáná ọmọ ọlọ́dọọdẹ ẹ̀yin lẹ lè ṣe ẹ kakulé bàbá Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀yin ní the best option. Ẹ̀yin ní the best candidate for the northerner. I swear. You are the best president ever that can challenge these northerner people. Because I believe wípé wọ́n ti kó gbogbo Nigerians láyà jẹ. Mo ní kó jẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ yẹn kó yé ẹ. Èmi ò ní rọ́ tí mo fẹ́ wá pa fún ẹ. Àwọn àlàyé tó yẹ kó mọ̀, ó ní mo sọ fún ẹ tí ẹni láti believe or not. Mo ti sọ tèmi ọ̀run mi ti mọ̀. Tó o bá wo bí mo ṣe ṣàlàyé tẹ́lẹ̀ náà, wàá rí wípé mọ̀mọ́ Rẹ̀mí Tinubu. Now our mama be the say we no get another one. Now our mama be the say Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu. Now our mama be the say. Tó bá ní problem pẹ̀lú wọn, mi ò yẹn rí ti ọ̀tẹ̀ títí ẹ o. Ilẹ̀ bàbá mi mo já fún. Wàá rí wípé mọ̀mọ́ Rẹ̀mí lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà. Wọ́n lọ tẹ́dò, wọ́n tẹ́yìn, màmá tẹ́pin. Màmá tẹ́pin. Ṣé eré lásán ló pé ni? Tí odidi world president Trump tó sọ wípé Màmá Rẹ̀mí Tinubu is the best first lady in the whole world, whereas President Trump fúnra lára wọn ní first lady o. Ó yẹ kó ti yé ẹ náà, mọ́mọ́. Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu, now our mama be this o. Nígbà tó tún yá màmá ní President Trump, àwa tún expect irú kíní tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn kó tún dún kó bá ń bì, because wọ́n ti mọ̀ wípé animal in woman skin làwọn yẹn, wọn ò lè gbọ́ràn. Ìgbà tó rí wípé àwọn northern ó ti pẹ́ tó ti máa ń ṣe bí òsín bí wèrè bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n máa sọ pé bọ́ǹtòrú ni mo lẹ́ẹ̀tẹ́ pàdé máàṣì yín, ẹ̀yin ò gbóhùn bàbá Tinubu tẹ́lẹ̀ ni ó pọ̀ létí. Àwa la lè ṣàlàyé fún yín irú èèyàn tí píbà ti jẹ́. Òrìṣà tí gbẹ́bọ̀ kàkà lójoojúmọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá tó ń gbé wọ́n gbé tì. Bàbá wa tún wò pé òkè Amẹ́ríkà ti seal. Ó yá, ibo ló tún kù àwọn ogun ló tún lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ lórí gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó màtá tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. Ṣẹ́yìn nádánà sẹ́ ẹ ẹ gbà pé bàbá náà fàdà Yorùbá ni bàbá ńlá bàbá yín tí ó bá sí àwa Yorùbá ní Nàìjíríà kò ní dá fún wọn Nàìjíríà yín tẹ́yìn náà dáná and claim. As you don't hear am for that video now, you dey feel am because that brother don yarn many things wey you wan hear from me. You know yarn am plenty, clearly, vividly, majestically. Kò séyàn tó máa gbé analysis bọ̀bọ̀ ètò ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò ní yí ẹ dá quest. Bàbá wa tún wò pé okay, ibo ló tún kù, àwọn eléyìí gangan náà di gògóńgò Nàìjíríà mú náà. Àwọn ni wọ́n pín re láre tó kàn ṣe everything tó wù wọ́n okay jẹ́ lọ bá wọn. Genesis tó di gògóńgò Nàìjíríà mú bàbá gan Tinubu wọ́n kàn ná straight lọ sí UK ni wípé àbẹ́yìn orí ẹ̀rọ pé lásán ni wọ́n kó ìlú àtìfọ́n tí wọ́n fi welcome bàbá Tinubu. Eba ó rí gbogbo fídíò yẹn ni ọmọ ó pọ̀ tó bá gbọ́ ó pọ̀ fọlọ́dọ̀dà ó pọ̀ fún pivot Ọlọ́run. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò gan wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ wàláì sọ̀rọ̀ máa ọmọ Yíbò pé wetin dey sup here Tinubu wetin happen here gan. Ṣé lásán ló rò ní bàbá lọ má jà ó yẹ kó ti yí ẹ náà ìyẹn náà tún lọ ara ẹ̀ náà ni gbà tí bàbá wá dé wọ́n wá fọbalẹ̀ lórí pé yo as it is now mo ti ṣe tán in partner pẹ̀lú àwọn Faransé àtọmọ ogun àti iṣẹ́ ogun àti rí ogun ó yẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan máa sọ̀kalẹ̀ wá ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan máa bọ̀ wá ṣóde gbọ́ ní last week náà òun ni àwọn ọmọ ogun tún pọ̀ sọmọ ogun tí President Trump tún fi ránṣẹ́ kún ọmọ ogun tán fi ránṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ mo rò pé gbogbo géèmì ó yẹ kó ti máa yé yín ní Nàìjíríà máa pín sẹ́ẹ̀ nọ́dẹ́nà ìgbà tó ti jẹ́ wípé ìwà ẹranko yẹn lẹ wálé ayé wá wù àwa máa ṣó yín nǹkan tó ń pè ní Yorùbá ẹ máa súnmọ́ at the same time ẹ máa súfè ẹ máa kí wáyé ọlọ́ má jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ jù ibẹ̀ ni kọ́kọ́ la tún lọ sẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ URTW mo rò wípé ẹ ti pín ire ti láàrin ẹ ti bì calming down ni lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣọ́la kò déédéé rí online ni wípé kí ni o Bàrúwá tún wá lọ lé MC Oluomo àtàwọn boys ẹ̀ kúrò ní secretariat head office wọn NURTW l'Abuja wọ́n lé wọn dànù ní o kí ló dé wọ́n ní kóòtù ti ní kí Bàrúwá padà sínú ọ́fíìsì lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá wá gbọ́rọ̀ fúnra lára lẹ́nu President Bàrúwá àbí kí la pè wọ́n èyíkéyìí ẹ wá gbọ́.
We are here today. Yes. We can see that we don't hold anything like bucklers. Yes. We don't need this. Yes. Because we are political trade unionists. Yes. We are coming here to resume to the office. Yes. It's almost 2 years. We have been went to the court. We take them to appeal court. We take them to the lower court. We want them in lower court. They take us to appeal court. We want them again. Then we now go after almost a year that we want to appeal court. They don't respect the law. They say that they are above the law. I wish I know nobody above the law. Then we now went back again to the another court again to interpretation of this judgment for us. That's because we got judgment. People are adamant to vacate the office. And we don't want to take law by hand. But you know what this means in trade unionists? We maintain the peace. They wound 3 people. Then we saw Alaye with gun, run with gun and machete. So Alaye is one who machete that man from here. So it's unfortunate that we have took that man, we have taken that man to court. We have taken that man to hospital. So that's only resistance that we have today. That's challenge we have today. But there's a room for reconciliation. In any crisis, in anything like this, they will do that. The office is ready. We open door for everybody for reconciliation. We are not a troublemaker. Since almost 2 years plus, we don't do anything. But we see that why somebody say we're above the law. So they don't above the law. That's why we came here today and thank you very much.
The president has said it all. All that I want to add is that he is a man of the people. The only thing is nobody is going to be left behind. His administration is an inclusive administration. And even in a family,
o kí ló wá fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ẹ̀yin ọmọ NURTW àfẹ́rẹ́ jẹ́ ńlẹ́ o àfẹ́rẹ́ jẹ́ ńlẹ́ o ọ̀rọ̀ election 2027 tá àmọ́ bí tó máa já sí òun ló ń wà lẹ́ o tó pa everybody ló ń gbẹ o ẹ bí calming down o ẹ̀yin ọmọ NURTW ẹ̀yin ọmọ union ẹ má tàtàtà ara yín o ẹ má sọ àwọn ìyàwó yín dopò ọ̀sán gangan o ẹ má sọ àwọn ọmọ yín aláìní ìyá aláìní bàbá torí tẹ bá ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjà tẹ fẹ́ para yín ẹ kì í ronú pé níyàwó pẹ láwọn ọmọ tẹ bá kú dànù ta ló máa ṣe ọkọ fún ìyàwó yín ta ló máa ṣe bàbá fáwọn ọmọ yín after tẹ lọ tán kò sí nǹkan kan fáwọn ìyàwó àtọmọ ọmọ adira dáradá sí gbòòrò ìyàwó adire dèrèdè ẹ stop ẹ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu Bàrúwá òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Wọ́n ní the leadership crisis rocking National Union on road transport workers took a dramatic turn as Tajudeen Bariwa assumed control of the union's national secretariat in Abuja, dislodging Musiliu Akisanya, popularly known as MC Oluomo, following a series of court rulings that reshaped the union's power structure. Oh no, let's go lẹ́nu Bàrúwá. Bàrúwá said their body language has not been encouraging despite repeated assurance that we are not going back to foment any troubles as we are law-abiding union whose only mission is to get back what belonged to them. But today, as you can see, we are taking over in a peaceful manner, and it is not a forceful takeover, but just carrying out the court's order. Again, please be aware that our coming here after 2 years is to occupy our office, having obtained judgment at both the lower court and the appeal court, but they refused to obey court orders. After waiting for about 2 years, we decided to resume at the office today without causing any violence, and here we are. Let it go. Hey! Ó ga ni o tó bá ń gbọ́ ló ní kókórókó ẹ̀yin ọmọ union ẹ má bí calming down wọn gbogbo ẹ̀ náà là ń wò ìbọn ṣe lé tó ṣe wọ ọ́fíìsì tẹ ẹ ṣe tí wá lé MC náà kúrò ńbẹ̀ nìyẹn ẹ̀wà ẹ̀yin ọmọ union ẹ ti ń lo U fún MC brother mi Olúùlù MC kókókó Olúùlù brother mi àlejò o kí ló wá fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí Sego ò ní gbé kíní tiẹ̀ sílẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wàhálà ìṣe ga jù Bàrúwá lé MC kúrò ní NURTW secretariat head office l'Abuja according to the court letter wípé gbogbo wa la mọ̀ wípé for some years náà ti wà lẹ́nu kéèsì yẹn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń sọ wípé court ó wà in favour of Bàrúwá pé kó lọ parí term ẹ̀. I am not here to support any one of them this time around. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tẹ́mi wá sọ ńbẹ̀ nsìn nígbà tẹ́ tó wá lé MC kúrò ńbẹ̀ nísìn. Bàbá Bàrúwá ẹ̀yìn take over 2 years ti lọ gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ ṣe sọ. Ẹ ṣe kúkú fi 2 years tó kù sílẹ̀ fún MC kó parí. Tó bá wá parí first term yẹn kẹ́yìn tó wá take over. Because Lagos State báyìí sìn Sego ló dì mú. Ṣé fẹ́ dé MC padà lọ sógun state ni? And I'm very very sure pé wọ́n ti ní chairman títí wọ́n NURTW chairman wọn ní Ògùn mẹ́. Ibo lẹ wá fẹ́ lé MC sí báyìí. Ẹ má lè sọ̀rùn o. Ẹ má lè sọ̀rùn o. Èyí ga o, ó pọ̀. Ẹ ti yá sáré lo U fún o. Lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá. Wọ́n ní Bàrúwá ti on seat MC o ó ti wà káàkiri gbogbo media houses pátápátá ó ga ilé ayé yìí ṣá ó lọ fà kò tún lọ fà ibẹ̀ ni kọ́kọ́ là ń lọ ṣé o ti gbọ́ wípé àwọn atiláwé àwọn brother terror wọ́n ti já bíríìjì Niger o ṣé o gbọ́ wípé ní Kwara State báyìí wọ́n tún ti lọ sí Ekwa Church níbi tó ti ń worship wọ́n lọ kó wọn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin worshipper ẹ̀yin Christian tẹ́ wà ní Kwara kí ló dé tẹ́ ṣe ń lọ sí church ẹ má bínú sí mi o ẹ lè gbàdúrà nù lé ṣé báyẹ wá ń pa yín tó ń kó yín lọ yìí nǹkan tẹ́ like ni because ọ̀rọ̀ yín ò fẹ́ yé mi mọ́ ìgbà tí covid wà ń ta tẹ́nibọ̀dì ò lè jáde tán ní kéèyàn méjì kọ́ máa sún mọ́ra wọn kọ́ máa distance ara wọn kọ́ máa sí gathering ẹ jọ ṣé àdúrà yín ò gbà ṣé ẹ ṣe church ẹ worship nulẹ̀ àbí online ẹ sọ di online kẹ́ máa ṣe nu church ẹ̀yin pásítọ̀ ẹ má fẹ̀mí àwọn members yín ṣòfò mọ́ náà ẹ gbọ́mọ́ tilẹ̀ náà ṣé ẹ̀yin ò rí wípé wọ́n kàn dé pa àwọn èèyàn ṣeré ni èmi ò láìkí gbogbo eléyìí o kí ló dé ẹ sọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì di online tí ò bá sí nǹkan míì bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ní kálukú jókòó lé ẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ Sowore àwọn followers Sowore ti bójú Sowore jẹ́ o mo sọ fún yín Sowore nǹkan kan lèyàn á ṣe tí ò ní ṣèmí ìmọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tó ń hẹ́lì Sowore àwọn tó kùkù Sowore báyìí sìn wọ́n ti kẹ̀yìn sí Sowore wọ́n ti ní ọ̀rọ̀ Sowore gan òye wọn mọ́ báyìí pé gbogbo everybody tó wà Nàìjíríà ó ní Sowore criticize you are not good this is not good that is not good good irọ́ ni gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n ní kò wá yé wọn mọ́ pé ó dẹ̀ pé ó ti ń bọ́ sí nǹkan mi ó ti ń mọ́wọ́ kan mi dání Sowore we no want you wàláì wá kí wáyé wàlà ẹ wá gbọ́.
Mr. Omoyele Sowore, after watching you criticizing Mr. Alex Oti, at this point, I am confused. As far as I know, I have watched you criticize every politician in this country, Nigeria. So I have this simple question to ask you today. Mr. Omoyele Sowore, please tell Nigerians and every part of the world about 5 credible politicians that we can work with in this country. 5 credible politicians that you know with this one, with their support or with their move around you, we can have a good direction and we can have a better country. I am confused because at this point now, you are the only credible, reliable, and the most cleanest politician we have in Nigeria. It cannot be only you. I am challenging you, please name 5 credible politicians that we don't know, that are credible, that you know them because you know everybody, that we can follow and support that, okay, these people will give us a credible country. Because like this now, me, I don't get confused. And I need answer to this question. Biko, thank you.
Ibo ti bojú Sowore jẹ́ o, ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ ọ̀nà John. Only Sowore and his cheap asset job in Aba. When I heard that Omoyele Sowore was coming to Aba to protest for mass Nnamdi Kanu, I became very suspicious, very, very suspicious. I have been around politics for a while and I can smell a political inspired move, even from a distance. My suspicion was inspired by 2 major facts. First, why choose Aba to protest the incarceration of Nnamdi Kanu? Nnamdi Kanu is currently being held at the Sokoto Correctional Center. No, let me correct you also there. It is not Sokoto Correctional Center. It is Sokoto Kuje Prison. Sowore didn't take his protest to Sokoto. The court that sentenced him to prison is in Abuja. The case that sent him to prison is between him and the federal government domiciled in Abuja. Sowore didn't take the protest to Abuja. If Biafra comes today, the capital will be in Enugu, not Aba. Sowore didn't take his protest to Enugu. Assuming by no means consider that Nnamdi Kanu has any issue with the Abia State government, the capital of Abia State is in Umuahia. Sowore didn't take the protest to Umuahia, which, by the way, is the home of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Sheraye. Are you aware that while commercial activities have been crippled in Aba for years now? Every Monday, we bank, school, market, and government office shut down. In Aba, every Monday, no such thing happens in Umuahia, ni ibi, ìlú ibi, village, city, tí wọ́n ti bí Nnamdi Kanu, wọ́n ṣe síta tó mú bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Òun nǹkan tí ọmọ Ìgbò yẹn ń jẹ́ kó yé wa ń bì. No such thing happen in Umuahia. Life goes on normally every Monday in Umuahia. Schools, banks, courts, and other government offices open and work every Monday in Umuahia. Secondly, I wasn't comfortable with the people who were organizing the so-called protest locally here. Ẹ wá gbọ́ àṣírí protest tí Sowore lọ ṣe. Kì í ṣe torí Nnamdi Kanu. Ẹ wá gbọ́. Once a politician is involved in such thing, it naturally becomes political tainted. The leading figure that organized that so-called protest is a core politician who lost election in 2023, but also has eyes on the 2027 election, with eyes on Aba votes, and has been attacking the administration of Governor Alex Oti. Tó jẹ́ sí wípé àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ń jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ Nnamdi Kanu ní Sowore ní débẹ̀. Ó wá lu opportunity yẹn. Ọ̀rẹ́ politician tó ti high post kan ní nọ́dọ̀ wọn bẹ̀ tó lose in 2023 ó tún fẹ́ retry ní next year. Ó wá nídìí Aba, ó nídìí vote Aba, ó dẹ̀ pé vote Aba máa ń pọ̀ gan. Òun ló ṣe wá lọ organize pẹ̀lú Sowore wípé kó fi ṣe freedom for Nnamdi Kanu, because ìyẹn wọ́n á fi gba ojú rere lọ́wọ́ àwọn ará Aba láti lè dìbò fún ní 2027. Ìyẹn ni plan tí òun ẹni yẹn tó organize àti Sowore ṣàṣírí ò padà tú. I no tell una. I no tell una. Na lie. Sowore is not fighting for Nigeria as a country. Sowore is not fighting on behalf of Nigeria citizens. Rather, Sowore is doing his job. His paid job. I told you, Sowore did not go to that place, eastern part of Nigeria, to go and lead a freedom for Nnamdi Kanu protest with an empty hand. Sowore is a hardened politician tó ti jíngìrìn síbẹ̀. Ó ti gbàgbé wípé gbogbo ìgbà tí àwọn Biafra tó hot, tí Yorùbá nation hot, Sowore hate àwọn méjèèjì. Bóyá ń gbógun ti Ìgbòho ló ń gbógun ti Nnamdi Kanu, he never like any one of them. Ó fẹ́ kó jó òun nìkan kan gbà fún revolution àbí kí ló lóun ṣe. Do you know how many years the Nigerian youth at everybody tí wọ́n fi support both home and abroad, that they believed so much in you and your ability, but you disappointed them. The money and everything you promised. Today now, wà relevant lọ́dọ̀ àwọn politicians, relevant lọ́dọ̀ àwọn Nigerians. As a matter of fact, ìkan lára àwọn ardent followers yẹn tó máa ń tẹ̀lé lọ sí court every now and then, tó máa ń gbé tó máa ń lọ́bọ̀, òun ló wá ti gíbojú ẹ̀ yìí. Bàbá yẹn sọ wípé Sowore come and tell us what we don't know, because it is getting clearer now. They don't trust you anymore. You are up to something. Ó ti clear sí. Everybody ti mọ secret ẹ Sowore. You see your life? Nǹkan kan lèèyàn máa ń ṣe tó máa ṣàṣetẹ́ lórí bó ti ṣe ń tẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o. Àfi tó bá jáwọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìgbòho lókù. Tó o bá ti lọ sinmi kó rọra sún sẹ́yìn, ó rò péré ni. Sowore wá kó wáyọ̀ àlà. Ọlọ́run wá kó wáyọ̀ àlà. Eré ló máa pè é. Abẹ́ mú nǹkan lẹ̀. O tí mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè ní ẹ̀sìn. Sórí àlùbọ́lẹ̀ tó ń lu ẹ́pọ́ọ̀tì ní kọ́ọ̀tì àti oríṣiríṣi tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí everybody pt ẹ̀yẹn. Sórí ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ jẹ ìyà ẹ̀ gangan báyìí. Dear us, kó rò péré ni. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà sẹ́. Yèyé dára kowé ni mò ń jẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o má gbàgbé. She Sunday Adéyẹmọ Igboho Loyal Fans Club in diaspora, no more in Europe. In diaspora. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ̀yin ìyá àti bàbá Igboho, tẹ́ bá ní interest, send your message to me. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ wípé ní interest kí n hard yín síbẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ tó bá ti mọ̀ pé o fẹ́ wá ṣàbùsí àtọ̀tẹ̀, má bọ̀dá, mo tún ti tú sọ, má bọ̀dá, rọra jókòó síbi tó wà. Ìwọ tó bá like láti máa jókòó sínú platform, nínú group, tó ready àti sọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń sọ ńbẹ̀, ìwọ á lọ máa pe àwọn èèyàn other member lẹ́yìn. Ẹ jọ máa sọ ilé tó yẹ kó sọ mind ẹ sínú platform, ká jọ kó papọ̀ ká mọ̀ nǹkan tó yẹ ká ṣe. Wàá dákẹ́, wàá máa mú gbogbo ẹ̀, wàá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní dá wàhálà alẹ́ lẹ́yìn. Lọ́dọ̀ títí ọ̀dọ̀ tèmi. Tó bá àdé sí group, you must talk everything tá bá sọ gbogbo wa la máa dá sí. Ọlọ́run. Ìyẹn la fi máa mọ̀ pé kò sọ lọ́tẹ̀, kò sálábòsí. Ara everybody àgbá yágíyágí ni. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà, Yèyé dára kowé ni mò ń jẹ́. Support my brand. Bá mi like video kó share. Má sì gbàgbé láti drop comment. God bless you. Bye for now.